Welcome to Learn for Grow, your passport to effective communication and confident expression. Join our English communication series where simplicity meets impact. Subscribe now for easy, enjoyable lessons that evaluate your conversation skill. Let's make language your superpower together. Hit subscribe. Let the communication adventure begin. Hello friends, welcome back to the English language learning series. This is me, Praveen. I hope all of you doing well as we learning the English grammar tenses, and we are in future tenses. In that already we have covered the topic about the future indefinite, future continuous, and today we are going to learning the future perfect tense. Okay, let's dive into the topic. See the definition, guys. I have given definition here. The definition says future perfect tense is a verb form used to describe action or event that will be completed at some point in the future before another action or time frame. Means the action, the activity will have be happen at future before another action will start. Okay, and it typically involves the subject performing action that will be finished before the specific future time or event, right? And in English what we are using, it is formed by combining will have or shall have auxiliary verb with a main participle form, that is main verb form 3. Okay, here we are using helping verb or auxiliary verb, you can say, that is will have or shall have, and main verb form 3rd. Okay, future perfect tense means that is the sense in future any work activity will have been completed at another activity before start, right? This is the simple definition. Let's have one example here. By the time we arrive, they will have finished dinner. Means we are predicting, right? In future, by the time we can reach, before that they have to be completed their dinner, right? Like that only we have given here example. I hope you understood, right? Alright guys, let's have a different form of sentence in future perfect tense. Like as we know, affirmative sentence rule, right? Let's have affirmative. Here I have given subject plus shall have or will have plus main verb form 3 plus object. This is the basic simple structure of affirmative sentence rule in future perfect tense. Okay, just we are using here shall have, will have are the auxiliary verb. As we know, we can call it as also helping verb. Let's go through the examples and let's try to understand with formula. See here formula, as per the formula we will compare with both. Here the example, she will have completed her homework by tomorrow. Just keep here attention. She is the subject, right? Will have helping verb we have used here, and completed main verb form 3 means complete is the first form, completed, right? As we know, the table whichever I have given in previous videos means different form of sentences, words, how it will be different. Main verb form 1, 2, 3, like as I given basically example, like go is the first form 1, went is the second form, gone is the third form. Okay, like that only here completed word is used, right? Complete is the main verb form 1, and here we are using main verb form 3 means completed work is completed, right? Her homework by tomorrow means here homework is the object, right? She will have completed her homework by tomorrow. Means here we are predicting. Okay, we are analyzing, means she will have completed our homework by tomorrow. Okay, means in future we are predicting. I hope you understood, right? Like that only one more we have example here. They will have eaten dinner by the time we get there. Means here they is the subject, as we know. Will have is the helping verb. Eaten, eat, at, eaten, as we know, right? And eaten is the third form of main verb, and dinner is the object. By the time we get there, like that only we have taken lots of example. Let's have an example, guys. Now I will read, just correlate with the sentence structure whatever I have given. Okay, I will have finished reading the book by the next week. He will have graduated from university by the end of the year. We will have arrived at airport before flight ticket takes off. By the time you wake up, I will have cleaned the house. The construction workers will have finished building the new house by the next month. She will have cooked dinner by the time you came home. By the time the guests arrive, we will have set up the decorations. He will have saved enough money to buy a car by next summer. Okay, now we will take with the example of shall have also. I shall have finished my homework by tomorrow. She shall have completed her project by the next week. They shall have painted the house before the guests arrive. We shall have cooked dinner by the time you came home. He shall have repaired the car before the trip. The company shall have launched its new product by the end of the month. You shall have received the package by Friday. The student shall have studied all the chapter by the exam date. These are the examples we have taken of affirmative sentence rule. Okay, and this is the last example. The team shall have won the game by half time. Means here just correlate with the whichever I have given rule. Just see here, last one, the team. Okay, the team is the subject. Shall have here auxiliary verb, helping verb, right? And main verb form 3-1. Okay, win 1-1. You guys already know, right? And game is the object. Based on the rule only, we have given a basic examples. Okay, these are the very simple example for your understanding. So let's move to the next one, that is negative sentence rule. See here, negative sentence rule, as we know, negative means negation. We need to add in between shall have or will have, we need to add a not. Means it will indicate the negation, right? See here, subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus main verb form 3 plus object. This is the simple rule for forming the sentence of negative sentence rule in future perfect tense, right? Shall have or will have, we have already know. These are the helping verbs. Let's have an example. She will not have completed her homework by tomorrow. See here, as I already discussed in previous video also, see here, she is the subject, will is the auxiliary verb, helping verb, not has been negation, have completed is the third form 1, her homework by tomorrow, right? Means this is the only thing we need to remind, that we need to add not in between will have or shall have, because this is the negation sentence, as we know. Okay, now I will read the example, just correlate with whichever I have given formula, right? Let's have examples. They will not have eaten dinner by the time we get there. I will not have finished reading the book by the next week. He will not have graduated from university by the end of the year. We will not have arrived at the airport before the flight takes off. By the time you wake up, I will not have cleaned the house. The construction workers will not have finished building the new house by the next month. She will not have cooked dinner by the time you came home. By the time the guests arrive, he will not have set up the decorations. He will not have saved enough money to buy a car by the next summer. I shall not have finished my work by the end of the day. She shall not have completed the report by the end of the deadline. They shall not have painted the walls before the party. We shall not have fixed the leaky faucet by tomorrow. He shall not have repaired the roof before the rain starts. The company shall not have launched the new website by the next month. You shall not have received the email by the time you leave. The student shall not have memorized all the vocabulary by the exam. The team shall not have scored any goals by half time. Okay, these are the examples of negative sentence rule, right? We know already, we have noticed here, not is the additional things, rest of things are remain as per the affirmative sentence rules. We need to aware that where we need to use not. Okay, this is the very important concept. Let's have a next one, that is interrogative sentence rule. And here last example we have taken, the chief shall not have prepared the dessert by the dinner time. Okay, as we study interrogative sentence rule, let's see the structure here. Shall or will plus subject plus have plus main or form 3 plus object plus question mark. This is the basic structure of interrogative sentence rule. As we know, interrogation means seeking the information or asking the questions. Means if you have any questions at the end, we have to be mentioned question mark, right? Means it will be indicate we are grabbing or asking the information to the user or anything, whoever, right? Let's have a helping verb here, that is shall have or will have, as we know. Let's have an example, guys. We will she have completed her homework by tomorrow means we have asking question, means she may be completed or not, we don't know, but here we are asking, will she have completed her homework by tomorrow? Okay. See here, will is a helping verb, as we know, subject is a she, have is helping verb, completed is third form, her homework is the object, right? We have eaten dinner by the time we get there. Will I finish reading the book by the next week? Will he have graduated from university by the end of the year? Will we have arrived at the airport before the flight takes off? By the time you wake up, will I have cleaned the house? Will the construction workers have finished building the new house by the next month? Will she have cooked dinner by the time you come home? By the time the guests arrive, will we have set up the decorations? Will he have saved enough money to buy a car by the next summer? Let's have shall definitions. Shall we have finished the project by the end of the week? Shall she have completed the assignment by tomorrow? Shall they have painted the house by the time we return? Shall we have cooked dinner before the guests arrive? Shall he have repaired the car by the next Monday? Shall the company have launched the project by the end of the quarter? Shall you have received the package by Friday? Shall the student have studied all the chapters by the exam date? Shall the team have won the game by half time? Shall the contractors have built the bridge by end of the year? These are the examples of interrogative sentence rules. As we know, based on the sentence structure, only we have taken examples. Okay, just keep in mind you need to be add at the end of the example question marks, and at the beginning we'll start with the helping verb, right? Based on the rule only we have taken examples. You can write by your own and make the sentences. It will be very helpful for your understanding. Let's have next one, that is double interrogative sentence rule. As we know, we are mentioning here WH family at the beginning, and rest of things are same as the interrogative sentence rule, which was earlier we have now studied, right? And here also we are using will have, shall have are the helping verbs. Let's have examples. See here, when will she have completed her homework? Means when is the WH family work, right? Will is the helping verb, she is the subject, have is the auxiliary verb, completed is the third form of main verb, and object is the homework. At the end we mention question mark. Like that only we have few more examples. Where will they have eaten dinner by the time we get there? Why will I have finished reading the book by the next week? How will he have graduated from the university by the end of the year? Who will we have arrived at the airport with before the flight takes off? By what time will you have cleaned the house? Which construction worker will have finished building the new house by the next month? Whose dinner will she have cooked by the time you come home? Whom will we have set up the decorations by the time the guests arrive? How much money will he have saved to buy a car by the next summer? Let's have an example of shall be, shall have. When shall we have completed the project? Where shall she have placed the keys? How long shall they have know each other? What time shall we have finished the cooked dinners? Why shall he have moved to the another city? Whose car shall they have borrowed for the trip? Whom shall you have invited to the party? Which books shall the students have read by the end of this semester? Whose advice shall she have followed in the making a decision? How many times shall we have visited that place by the end of the year? These are the examples of double interrogative sentence rules. Based on the structure rule only we have taken the examples. You have to be practice more examples. You can write by your own based on the rule. For reference I have given few of the examples. Just refer to these examples and form your own sentences. That will be very helpful for your understanding and for a communication. Okay, bye guys, let's meet in next video. Thank you for joining Learn for Growth English Communication series. If you enjoyed enhancing your language skill with us, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for a more exciting journey into the world of effective communication. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.